The average American property tax bill is about $2,800 a year. Every animal on this list can earn between $600 and $3,000 annually on a small property at a workload a 70-year-old can handle. I'm ranking them by profit per minute of labor because at our age, that's the only math that matters. And number one is an animal most homesteaders have never even considered. It's quieter than a chicken, legal in most suburbs, and pays back in 8 weeks. Let's count down now.
Number 5. Meat rabbits. $600 to $1,200 a year from a setup smaller than a garden shed. 1 buck and 2 does produce 40 to 50 offspring annually. Processed rabbits sells for $6 to $8 a pound to restaurants and direct customers. And there's a second market most people miss. Rabbit manure is the only livestock manure you can put straight on a garden without composting. Gardeners pay $5 to $10 a bag for it. The honest downsides, processing isn't for everyone, and if you can't do it, your margins go to whoever can. Daily labor, 10 minutes. Skip rabbits if you know you'll name them. You will not sell what you've named.
Number 4. 2 Nigerian Dwarf dairy goats, $1,000 to $2,000 a year. But read the fine print. The money isn't in milk. Raw milk laws are a minefield state to state. The money is in what milk becomes, goat milk soap. A gallon of milk becomes roughly 40 bars, each selling for $6 to $8 at any craft fair or farm stand. 1 doe in milk can fund over 100 bars a month. Goats also clear brush. Some owners rent them out for exactly that. The honest downsides, goats are escape artists. They need fencing you'll invest in once and properly. And milking is a twice daily commitment during lactation. Daily labor, 30 minutes. Skip goats if you travel more than a weekend at a time. They're the neediest animal on this list. Number 3. Honeybees. $800 to $2,500 a year from 2 to 4 hives. And here's the shocking part. About 20 total hours of labor per year. Not per week, per year. No daily feeding, no fencing, no noise complaints. Local raw honey sells for $12 to $18 a quart and never has enough supply. It sells itself on the word local alone. Beeswax adds candles and salves. Each hive yields 30 to 60 pounds of honey annually in a decent year. The honest downsides, startup runs $400 to $600 per hive. You'll take stings occasionally, and year 1 is learning, not earning. Also, check this. Lifting honey supers means lifting 40 to 60 pounds, so ask about 8-frame or horizontal hives, which cut that weight dramatically. Skip bees if you're allergic, obviously. Number 2, hens, but not the way most people keep them. The hobby version loses money. The business version earns $1,200 to $2,400 a year, and the difference is 3 decisions. Decision 1, breed for egg color. Blue and chocolate eggs, Americanas, Morans, turn a $6 dozen into an $8 dozen. Same feed. Decision 2, sell subscriptions, not cartons. 10 neighbors paying $30 a month for a weekly dozen is $300 of predictable income and 0 eggs wasted. Decision 3, let customers come to you. A driveway cooler with a cash box outsells any farmer's market when you factor in your time. Honest downsides, predators are a war you never fully win, and hens slow down after 2 years, so you need a replacement rhythm. Daily labor, 15 minutes. Skip hens if your HOA forbids them, and check before you build the coop, not after. And number 1, Coturnix quail. $1,500 to $3,000 a year from a footprint the size of a dining table. Here's why they win the profit per minute crown. They lay an egg nearly every day, a better rate than chickens. They mature in 8 weeks. A chicken takes 5 months. They're so quiet most city ordinances don't even mention them, which means suburban retirees can run them where chickens are banned. The markets? Quail eggs sell for $5 to $8 a dozen to Asian and Latin American grocery stores, sushi restaurants, and health-conscious buyers. Hatching eggs ship nationwide at $15 to $30 a dozen. And a stacked cage system means everything happens at counter height. No bending, no kneeling, no mud. Honest downsides? They're not pets. They need protein-rich game bird feed, and individual birds are short-lived, so you'll run a small incubator to keep the flock rolling, which honestly becomes the most addictive part. Daily labor, 10 minutes. This is the highest return per effort animal in American backyard agriculture, and almost nobody over 60 knows it exists. Stack any 2 of these, and your property tax bill is handled. Stack 3, and the insurance is too. Start with the one that fits your body, your county rules, and your travel schedule, not the one that looks best on a Homestead channel. If quail caught your attention, and they should have, My full quail setup video, Cage to First Sale in 60 Days, is on your screen right now.